Now everyone is trying to make money trading meme coins, but I stopped trading and I started deving, and that's why my Phantom wallet has over $7.4 million and it keeps growing. Let me show you how this strategy actually works step by step. Now if you guys did not know already, bro, the majority of people in this meme coin space are actually all traders, okay? Now, I used to be a meme coin trader, but I stopped. Why? Because I used to jump into every single new launch thinking I was early and thinking I was going to make some money, but every single time, bro, I bought in, I got completely dumped on, just like this chart. For example, I would buy in a meme coin, wait a bit, and boom, the dev would dump on my head. Now that's exactly when I found out the complete truth. The people making money are not trading these coins, but they're actually launching them, okay? If you guys did not know already, bro, launching coins is actually way more profitable than trading, okay? And I am actually proof of that because like I said, I actually switched to deving and now I make over 2 to 3k every single day from $0, all from deving meme coins, okay? And yes, creating coins on the blockchain costs literally $0. You have nothing to lose, but if you keep trading, you could lose everything in a single blow. That's why, bro, you have to keep watching this video because I will be exposing the method step by step. Now obviously, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice, so just learn the strategy but do not use it. Cap! Now most newbie devs, bro, they go to Pump.Fun to make their first meme coin. Now that's the first ever mistake you will make because Pump.Fun is so oversaturated that most new coins die before anyone even sees them. It's a fucking junkyard, okay? You do not control your own liquidity and your meme coin has to reach $90,000 in market cap for it to be migrated onto the Raydium DEX. And if you guys did not know already, bro, as a dev, the whole point of launching a meme coin is for your coin to migrate to reach new trenchers and buyers. So that's why I cut off this website completely and I switched launchpads to create coins.io. This launchpad changes everything and is a complete move. Now your meme coin launches directly onto the Raydium DEX and it will be immediately migrated, which means you will make way more money than Pump.Fun right out the bat. And obviously, bro, it will be tradable right away. You will get more exposure, more buyers, and a much cleaner launch. You are skipping the bonding curve and you are going directly to the Raydium DEX, bro. Now that's exactly why a bunch of people gatekeep this website, but I will do a live launch. Now createcoins.io gives you two easy options to make your first meme coin. The first option is obviously to make a brand new meme coin on the blockchain from scratch to your liking. So you have to find a good narrative for your meme coin first of all. Now go on X, right, and look for a meme, some type of political news, some type of narrative, right? Just something decent. Like right now Bitcoin is falling, that could be a decent narrative. And if Elon Musk does tweets, well, that is good too for a meme coin. But yeah, bro, you get the principle. Once you have a good narrative, come back to createcoins.io, invent a name, create a symbol right after, then add a quick image by screenshotting anything for the meme coin logo, and just like that, after these simple steps right here, your coin is custom launched. But the second way to make a meme coin is actually my go-to method and is the most easiest and the most profitable by far, and that's by copying trending coins. Now these coins already have traffic and attention on Pump.Fun right now. When you copy them, you get instant buyers and higher profit potential because the hype is already in these coins and because they're already going viral. So copying coins is the way for you if you have no ideas or if you want to make some quick bread. Copying coins is the way for you. I will do a live example right now. Alright, let's actually launch a token right now so you can see how everything works in real time, and also we will see how much we make in profits by the end of the launch. So first of all, the first step is to connect your Phantom wallet to the website, right? Then click on refresh list to have all the new coins in real time, and let's look for a coin to copy, bro. Just choose one and go with it, okay? I'm going to copy the Molan coin. It has a last buy 5 seconds ago, which is not bad, so click on create coin. And just to warn you guys, okay, ignore the block and just go through it, okay? Just proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be copied on chain. Come on. Boom. And if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that everything is legit, everything works. It is on SoScan, which means it is on the blockchain. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part is generally really easy. We're adding / creating the liquidity pool for your token. This is what activates your token on Raydium so people can actually start trading it once it goes live. Okay, this page is what Pump.Fun doesn't give everyone the option to make. Now for the amount token A, just make sure you tap 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens and you are keeping 10% of the entire supply in your Phantom wallet. Right under for the amount token B, this is basically your first buy into your own market. You are not losing that SOL, by the way. It's just locking the pool up so your chart can open. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, every bit of that SOL comes right back inside your Phantom wallet, so we have nothing to lose. I am going to put 0.35 SOL, just a 0.35 SOL, just a bit more just to be safe. Then click on create pool. Once again, you are going to get this back, okay? Nothing to worry about. Ignore the block once again. Proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. And then, when that is done, click on the refresh button down below right here. Scroll down and boom, the Molan coin is on live. Our PNL, which is profit / loss, okay, our tracker will be right here. And now, if you click on the refresh button for a second time, now we're up $138 because now people are buying our coin on chain. Okay, so it actually works. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Okay, I'm so excited. Come on, let me go on full screen for a better view of our meme coin. And now the coin is live, bro. Let's fucking go. We're already getting a shit ton of transactions. This is looking kind of decent. $64 buy right here. Okay, it's so volatile. We're getting buy sells, buy sells. Okay, $22 right here. 1.3k market cap. This is what we want. Oh my god! Let's go! Rip that bitch! Come on! We're getting so many buys. Come on, pump. Oh my god. Okay, $4 buy, bro. That's embarrassing. 1.5k market cap. Guys, this is right, bro. It's actually insane, bro. We created this coin for completely free, and now all because of, the algorithm on all these, just because we created this coin on the Raydium DEX, we're getting a shit ton of transactions, and this is why I love deving coins, okay? That's why you guys have to start deving it. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna give this coin like a minute or two to pump, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back and we are at the 3k market cap on the dot and 1.5k in liquidity. Things are looking good. Now before it goes down, because it is in a downtrend, let's make some money. Come back to createcoins.io, and obviously bro, make sure to click on the refresh button to check your profits in real time. And bang! Okay, not bad. We are up $1.54,000 with a 3.5k market cap because it went higher. Now, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money by clicking right here, and then make sure to ignore the block once again. And proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some profits, bro. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, I just received 1.5k in fucking profits. It's all legit, bro. And even though the entire crypto market is down, bro, we still made money because deving is actually profitable. Unlike trading, lock in.